In this video I'm going to show you how you can use the rose diagram to show the orientation of these river channels, right? So we see they are oriented in different directions. You don't really need to take the protractor and measure the orientation of them based on their direction from the north. We can indeed go ahead and install tools which does this for us automatically. So for doing that, you go to plugins, manage and install plugins, and here you go under all, and here you can search for the line direction histogram. Okay, line direction histogram. Select that one and then install this plugin. Alright, the download is done. So as you see, line direction histogram is installed and it's checked. Close this one, and this has to be under vector line direction histogram, right? Run this. So here you're gonna choose the file that you wanna use as an input. So vectorized is the one that we're gonna use it. And then here you see the number of bins. Just for now, hit OK. So as you see, it's gonna put the orientation of these channels, right? It's gonna measure and it's gonna count the number of them, and it's gonna place it along this rose diagram. So here the number of bins is 8. So probably if you increase that, the pattern of this, it's gonna change, right? So if you increase like to 36 bins, it means every 10 degrees. So this is gonna be a kind of graph that you're gonna have. So if let's increase this to I think the maximum it's going to be 2-digit number, 99 bins. Click OK. You see there's not much change, right, from 99 to 55, right? So it means that this is pretty much robust, right? So let's put in 99 bins, and as you see here we have two set of conjugates, right? So this one, which is east-west, and the next one, which has more frequency, it's northeast, southwest, and the other one is north-south and northwest, southeast, right? And the frequency of the second set, it's a little bit less than the first set. So there is also another tool that we can measure, with the numbers, but we're not gonna do that. But what I recommend here, you take your protractor and measure the angle that these pack it makes with the north direction. So also measure the angle between these two sets and also between these two sets. So those who had structural geology, they know exactly what I'm talking about, right? We are looking to something that they are conjugates, right? And we want to know what's the angle between these two sets. So measure the angle between these two packs and between these two packs, and they are looking something very similar. If the river channels following the fractures, so in that case the rose diagram that you got here has a is meaningful. So you can actually discuss about the orientation of the principal stress fields, right? The direction of sigma 1, 2, and 3, and you can actually place them with respect to the north. I'm not going to give more details, so you are supposed to think about this and complete the assignment.